Good morning, sir. So this is my explanation. So use hashtag include stream using STD and semicolon. So I use integers because they have a whole number with no decimal. So burger, juice, chip, payment, I chip. So the total is of 100. So the payment is 150. So let's proceed into integers total. So you add burger, juice, chips. So you semicolon to then integers change. So the payment total is then you semicolon, then C out to run output, total cost, you the total cost, then total, then use inline to then put semicolon, then C out again, change, then use inline, then semicolon, then return 0, use semicolon, then let's proceed to chapter activity 2. So again, hashtag include stream using means steady. So in main again. So here I use float, the total cost 100. So float service charge, so equals total cost. So I use float because they have decimal. So you have decimal, then float final amount. So the final amount that equals the total cost of the total cost plus service charge. So see out again, use see out again, then see out to run output, service charge, then use a service charge, then use end line to end. So see out again, then put final amount, then use end line, then so here return 0, then use semicolon to proceed. So proceed activity 3. So I build again so I hashtag include stream, then using namespace td and main, then float bill. So the float bill is 105.5. So I use float instead of integers because they have decimal. So semicolon, then float final payment. So the final payment is 150. So use semicolon to so using if payment is the payment is true, like final bill, I use if because the payment is true, or they use a use a close parenthesis to proceed. See out, then see out again, see out, then the payment accepted. So use semicolon to proceed. Then using else if the statement is not true, like not true, then using semicolon, then return 0, then use semicolon again to end. So that is my explanation, sir.
Gikat ni mo to ganina.
Ito no. So good evening, sir. So the first question is the operator. So what is the purpose of operator in the program? So the purpose of operator in the program is to the plus operator used to add values together, such as the total cost and service charge. So that's so number 2. Why is subtraction used to compute the change? So subtraction is used to change to find the remaining money after paying the bill. So number 3, why is the function of variable payment? So the variable payment stores amount of money given by the customer. So let's proceed to the float. Then 1, why is float used for the service charge? So float is used because the service charge includes decimal numbers. So what is the purpose of multiplying the total cost by 0.055? So it calculates the 5.5% service charge of the total cost. So why are decimal values are important in money computation? So the decimal values important in money computation because the decimal value help show exact amounts of money including cents. So else if, what is the function of the if else statement? So the function is the if else statement checks condition and decide which actions to perform. Why is condition payment and final bill important? So the importance of final bill, it checks the payment is enough to pay the final bill. So let's proceed to number 3. What happens if the payment is lower than the final bill? So the program will display insufficient payment. So that is all about, sir. Thank you, sir.